Amy. She just listened to Alexandra O'Neill, and how did you enjoy it?
Oh, it was fantastic, excellent night. Thanks to Pam and it's just excellent.
Was you singing to all the tunes?
Yeah, of course.
Which was your favourite one?
Criticise, of course. Yeah.
Thank you, Tammy. She enjoyed herself tonight.
Yeah.
Had a fantastic night.
What's your name, darling?
Carla. And it's my first time here at the Railway Telegraph, and it won't be my last. I'll definitely be coming again.
Oh, she's promoting the Railway Telegraph, saying it's a good place to come to have a good night
I'm from Croydon. I've never been these sides, and I recommend everyone to come down.
It's all about Forest Hill.
Very inclusive, all mixtures, no screw face, just pure laughter, drinking and having fun.
Yeah.
Have a nice Christmas. Love you.
Thank you, the ladies. Thank you. We're here today with Bobby G Videos and another person who listened to Alexandra O'Neill tonight, and she had the privilege of holding his towel, being a towel lady today.
Well, it was just that he dropped his towel and I just picked it up for him, and then I held it, and then when he took the towel again, and he kept giving it back to me to look after, so I thought, oh fine, that's, you know, no worries, because I would like to find out, when I saw him and Celebrity Wife Swap, he was so funny on that day in the supermarket. He didn't look very happy, and so I just wanted to find out from him, how is he getting over it?
We're here waiting, still waiting to go inside and interview the man himself, but thank you very much.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed your night.
It was a wonderful night.
Thank you, Pam, once again.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome and good evening, and we're here with Bobby G Videos, and here today I've got the great man himself, Mr. Alexandra O'Neill. Thank you for taking the time to talk to me.
Oh, it's good to be here, you know.
And we did enjoy your performance, or I did especially.
Well, it was fun, and I look forward to coming back again. What a great crowd tonight, and a great audience, you know, and I think I'll get a chance to come back again. We'll come back and we'll do some songs from the new album, and we'll do some Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, some of that. We'll do all of that, but
we won't be coming off the stage.
Everybody was wonderful tonight. Everybody was wonderful.
No, you was wonderful, because everybody was soaking up your vibes.
Oh, it's great. It's great. Well, you know, the crowd usually gives you the vibe. This is such a great environment, a great club thing, especially I see a lot of adults out there, and it's good. It's a good thing, and I just enjoyed it, and I hope to come back again.
But as I said, I have to really say you did a really great job, even though we had a little bit of technical difficulty. You just did your best, and you shone, and you just same way.
Well, you know, things happen. Things happen, and you have to keep going. You know, you don't just stop and have everybody, because when you stop, everybody else stops. So you just keep trying, and hopefully you'll get past it, because things happen, and things happen on that you don't expect on the stage. But so what? You get past it.
That's right.
That's it.
Well, no, fantastic time. To come on, Music Angel, absolutely great. That's all I can say. Come back in April. It's going to be in April, and I think you're going to be in Islington December the 7th.
Yes,
and
I am.
it's also going to be in Islington December the 7th. So live.
So full band?
Full band.
Yeah.
So watch out for him, and we'll do it all again.
This is Pam. Now, she's the owner of the Railway Telegraph. This club is off the chain. You guys got to come out here. I mean, it's like for mature, grown-up people. It's not for the little young kids. It's for mature ravers that are growing older. They grow up with you and they grow old with you. This is Pam. Yeah. She's the owner. She's the one she's responsible for me being here tonight. And Pam, thank you so much.
I thought he sounded just like he did when I first heard him 25, 30 years ago. That voice, you can't beat it. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. And, you know, everything has turned out well, and I look forward to coming back.
And of course we welcome you back. Big welcome.
Please bring me back.
Yes, of course I will.
Because
it's a pleasure having you. I will bring you back.
Please bring me back.
It's my pleasure.
We out of here.
We love you. This is a superstar.
Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you very much. Thank you.